Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Xbox app not working on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, what you have to do is just go to your settings. And from your settings, what you have to do is just go to apps. And from apps, just search for Xbox here. Then just click on your Xbox app and click on view options. From here, if you see an option that says repair, just click on it. And if you don't, just click on the reset button and click on reset. And after that, after it's resetted successfully, what you have to do is just close this. And after that, what you want to do is just go ahead and type services here and just open up services from the best match. Then just expand this. Go all the way to the bottom and you'll find this Xbox services. Just right click on them, click on properties. Make sure to select automatic on them and click on start. Do it for the next one as well. Select automatic and click on start. Do it for all 4 of them. And after that, just go ahead and restart your PC and your app should be fine. And basically that is how to fix Xbox app not working on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.